This week in math, we will be decomposing fractions into a sum of fractions with the same denominator. We are breaking apart those fractions. So, when we talk about joining parts, we're referring to the same size, a whole, adding fractions. If I were you, I would pause right here and write these down in your notes. Because the next day we're going to be doing vocabulary as well. The denominator, you should know what the denominator is by now. The denominator is the number that is down. It is the total number of parts. The fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole or part of a set. And then the mixed number is when we have a whole number and a proper fraction. So we have one whole, and then we have 2 out of 6 parts. All right, so for each fraction, okay, so looking at this, we have 7/4, 6/4, and 5/4. Each fraction has been decomposed into a sum of fractions. We're going to place the card from part B to the equivalent fraction. So I'm looking for one that adds up to 7 and the denominator of 4. So I look down here, they all have denominators of 4. Okay. So it could be any of these. So now I have to look at the numerators, and they need to add up to 7. Let's see, 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Oh, I have 5/4, so I'm going to go ahead and put that there. And then I have 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7/4, that can go here. And then 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6/4. So you see it. When we add the numerators, we get the numerator on top, and our denominator stays the same. We don't go 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Our denominator stays the same. That's why we're able to add them. Let's try another one. Let's use the cards from part B to show a possible way to decompose the fraction into a sum of fractions. So we have 7/6. We can actually do it in a lot of different ways. We could do 1/6. Plus, what do we want to do? We want to do plus 2, and maybe we want to do the last one. I have 3, so I have to do 4/6. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals 7. Maybe I want to take this, I'll leave this one and take this one out, and this. And I still get 7/6, right? That works. So it's really up to you on the different ways that you're decomposing that fraction. All right. If we look at this, what do you think our answer would be? 6/8 plus 1/8. Our denominators are the same. So our 6 plus 1 is 7, and we get our denominator, which is the same, which is 8. And then let's look down here. It's okay if we end up with an improper fraction. We don't need to worry about that just yet. Okay? So don't worry if it's an improper fraction. So we have a denominator of 10. 7 plus 4 gives us 11 over 10. Did you guys follow that? Okay. Now, let's look at adding these fractions. We have an area model that has been shaded to represent an equation. We're going to use 3 cards from part B to create an equation that matches the area model. So we have 1 whole, 1 and 2 6. You know what? I am a visual person, so I need to see that. So I have 1 whole and 1 6. And over here, I have 1 whole and 1, 2, 3, 3 6. Or we could do 1/2, but I'm going to stick with 6. Okay. So what would our equation be? Well, we have 1 and 1 6. Let's see, where can I find 1 and 1 6? 1 and 3 6. 1 and 2 6. Oh, did you guys catch that? Were you screaming at me? 1, 2. Were you guys saying, no, Miss Cooper, that's 1 guys are right. Look at that. Plus, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 3, 6. What do we get? What do we get? Well, I know 1 plus 1 is 2, so can't be this one, can't be that one. And then I know that at my numerators, I get 2 plus 3 is 5, so I get 2 and 5, 6. 2 and 5, 6. Did you guys get that? I bet you guys did. You probably didn't mess up that diagram thing. It was 1 and 1, 6. All right, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please follow your